Hello students, in today's session of NCERT chapter Binomial Theorem, very basics on this topic is going to be cleared through illustrations. Illustrations being taken from NCERT exercise 8.1. In earlier session, we have gone through all these in which illustrations were taken from JEE Main previous year questions, which you can review on YouTube channel CET Learn. In today's session, we are going to discuss this concept. One, binomial expansion, binomial sum of two terms. This is expanded. This is expanded form, and this summation r equal to 0 to r equal to 1. This is condensed form. This is condensed form. Total number of terms is n plus 1. This is for n natural numbers. Sum of powers of x and a is constant. A और b की power का sum है, that is constant. Binomial coefficient equidistant from the beginning and end are equal. That is NC0 equal to NC NC1 equal to NC n minus 1, NC2 equal to NC n minus 2, that is 1, that is n minus 1, and so on, right? Which are going to be very, very useful and important for 11th standard, JEE Main, CUT, and other entrance examinations. It is requested go through the session completely. Now, let's start with the question and concepts. Question is, expand the expansion 2 by x minus x by 2 whole power 5. Concept, applicable, and solution. Binomial theorem is binomials sum of two terms, right? If x and a are real numbers, then for all n belonging to natural numbers, a plus b की power n, that is equal to NC0 a की power n b की power 0, NC1 a की power n minus 1 b की power 1, NC2 a की power n minus 2 b की power 2, NCR a की power n minus r b की power n, and last term is NCN a की power 0 b की power n. This is condensed form. This is the expanded form. Expanded form. This is the expanded form. This is the condensed form. That is summation r equal to 0 to r equal to n, NCR a की power n minus r b की power r. Total number of terms in the expansion will be n plus 1. Suppose n is 5, so number of terms will be 5 plus 1, that is 6. Right? Sum of powers of x and a is constant. Here C, here C, here C, n minus r plus r, that comes out to be n. Sum of powers of x and a is always constant, that is equal to n. Power of a start from maximum and goes on decreasing to 0, power 0, and that of b goes on increasing from 0 to n, and sum of powers is equal to n, right? Next, binomial coefficient equidistant from the beginning and end are equal. Means NC0 equal to NCN, that is equal to 1. NC0, that is equal to 1. NC1 and NC n minus 2, that will be NCN minus 1. This one, that is NC1 equal to factor n upon n minus 1 factorial into factor 1. On simplification n minus 1 divided by factor 1. So this comes out to be n. This cancels out n. NC2 equal to NC n minus 2. That will come out to be factorial n over n minus 2 factorial into factorial 2. That is n minus 1 divided by n minus 2 divided by n minus 2 factorial into factorial 2. This is good. Yeah, there are n minus 1 by 2. And similarly, we can go for solving this. Now, let's start with the solution. Now, the solution of question is, let this equal to a plus b to the power n. Comparing a equal to 2 by x, b equal to minus x by 2, and n equal to 5. Total number of terms will be equal to 5 plus 1, that is 6. Now, on expansion, we get x by 2 minus 2 by x minus x by 2 to the power 5 will be equal to NC0, 5C0, 2 by x to the power 5 plus 5C1 plus 5C2 plus 5C3 plus 5C4 plus 5C5. 2 by x to the power 4, 2 by x to the power 3, 2 by x to the power 2, 2 by x to the power 1, 2 by x to the power 1, and 2 by x to the power 0. Goes on increasing. Minus x by 2, this is x by 2. X by 2 to the power 1 minus x by 2 to the power 2 minus x by 2 to the power 3 minus x by 2 to the power 4 minus x by 2 to the power 5. ये लिखने का तरीका बता दिया सारा. As already stated, value of binomial coefficients equidistant from beginning and end are same. That is 5C0 equal to 5C5, value is 1. 5C1 equal to 5C4 will be equal to 5. 5C2 equal to 5C3 equal to 5C. This into this is 12. That is 5 into 4 divided by 2, that is 10. There are 6 binomial coefficients, all the values are non-trivial. And further, if b is negative, then in this case, this will be negative, positive, negative means alternate terms will be positive and negative. In this case, first term positive, then negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. These will be terms, right? Now substituting values and simplifying. So this comes out to be 2 by x minus x by 2, 2 by x minus x by 2 to the power 5 equal to 501. On simplification, this comes out to be 32 upon x5, 32 upon x5 minus 5C1 की value 5. This will come out to be 5C value 5 into 2 की पावर 4 16 divided by 2 into this is x की power 4, this is x की power 4, this is x की power, ये cancel हो जाएगा, this will come out to x cube. तो 32 upon x की power 5 minus this comes out to be x की power cube, x cube minus 28 40 x cube. Similarly, substituting and simplifying, we will get plus 20 over x minus 5x plus 5 by 8 x cube minus x5 over 32. This will be the answer. Check the calculations. I have cleared all the concepts applicable in this case. Right? Next question. Question is, using binomial theorem, evaluate 101 power 4. Now, to expand it, we will break up 101 in such a way that calculation may be simplified. Binomial means sum of two terms में divide करना हमने, ठीक है? This is the expansion. Number of terms are n plus 1. This is the expanded form. This is a condensed form. Condensed form. Number of terms in this case will be 4 plus 1, 5. Sum of powers of a and b is equal to constant, and the binomial coefficient equidistant from beginning are equal. That is NC0 equal to NC1, NC2 equal to NCn minus 2, NC3 equal to NCn minus 3, and so on. Now, let's start. 101 की power 4. We can write 1 plus 100 की power 4. 1 plus 100 की power 4. That comes out to 1 plus 10 raised to power 2 की power 4. So that is comparing with a plus b की power n. A equal to 1, b equal to 10 to the 2, n equal to 4. Therefore, on expansion we get 1 plus 100 की power 4, that is 101 की power 4 equal to, that is comes out to be 1 की पावर, a की पावर 1 है तो 1 1 चलता जाएगा, that is 4c0 plus 4c1 2 की पावर 1 plus 4c2 102 की पावर 2 plus 4c3 102 की पावर 3 plus 4c4 10 over 2 की पावर 4. Because sum of powers of a and b is constant, एक स्टार्ट मैक्सिमम करेंगे, a की पावर 1, a की पावर 4, b की पावर 0, that is 1. 4c0 1 2 3 4, a is a 1, any power answer is 1. So on simplification, now using the properties binomial coefficient equidistant for 4c0 equal to 4c4 equal to 1, 4c1 equal to 4c3 equal to 4, and 4c2 will be equal to factorial 4 or factorial 2 into factorial 2, that is 4 into 3 divided by 2, that is 10. Now substituting values, 1 plus 4c1 की वैल्यू 4 into 100 plus 4c2 की वैल्यू 10, 10 into 10 raised to 4 plus 4c3 is 4 into 10 to the power 6 plus 4c4 1 into 10 to the power 8. 10 raised to 8 means 400 plus 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus, right? On simplification calculation आप कर लीजिए. On simplification we get 40 10 40 60 401. This is the answer, right? Next question. Question is, using binomial theorem, indicate which is larger, 1.1 की power 10,000 or 1,000, which is greater. We have to use the concept of binomial theorem to decide which is greater. Concept applicable and solutions. This is the expansion. Number of terms in this case will be 10,000 plus 1. That is 10,001. Right? इसको expand करने की necessity नहीं है. We will check its answer is less than or greater than this. Right? Total number of terms will be 10,000. Now, 1.1 की power 10,000 can be written as 1.1 plus 0.1 10,000, comparing with a plus b की power 10. A comes out to be 1, b equal to 0.1, n equal to 10,000. So total number of terms will be, total number of terms will be 10,000, right? Now on expansion. On expansion, we get n 10,000 C0 1 की power n, ठीक है, plus 10,000 C1 1 की power 1 into 0.1 की power, ये आएगी 10,000 का 9999, right? इसकी power 1 plus and so on. बाकी की लिखने की नेसेसिटी नहीं पड़ेगी. रीजन, इसकी वैल्यू 1 प्लस इसकी वैल्यू 10,000 प्लस इंटू 0.1 प्लस दिस 1 प्लस 1,000 प्लस दिस. तो 1,000 1 plus something. Every term is positive. Every term is positive. Therefore, this is greater than 1,000. The conclusion, 1.1 की power 10,000 greater than 1,000. Right? Next question. Before start of the next question, I would like to say that these concept clearing videos for the purpose of 11th standard, 12th standard, state boards, CBSE board, JEE Main, JEE Advance, NEET, CUET, and other examination. These concept clearing videos are very helpful and useful, which you can review on YouTube channel CET Learn. In addition to this, I would like to say that these papers, complete video sessions are available on CET Learn YouTube channel, which you can review on CET Learn. In addition to this, further, these papers, detailed solution with additional information available on website cetlearn.com. You can visit the site and have the solution.
इसी के साथ साथ मैं रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा कि अगर अभी तक आपने YouTube चैनल सेट लर्न सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया, प्लीज सब्सक्राइब इट एंड शेयर विद योर colleagues and friends. Now let's start with the question.
Question is, find a plus b की power 4 minus a minus b की power 4. After evaluating this, evaluate this. Means first we have to evaluate this. Using this, we have to find the value of this. Yani put a equal to 3, root 3, b equal to root 2. Concept applicable and solution. Question is taken from NCERT exercise 8.1. You know a plus b की power n. Now in this case, a plus b की power 4 minus a minus b की power 4. We will write 4c0 a की power 4 plus 4c1 a की power 3 b plus 4c2 a की power 2 b की power 2 plus 4c3 a की power 1 b की power 3 plus 4c4 a की power 0 b की power 4 and minus में terms will be same, only sign difference will be there. Means minus लगाया, this will be positive, this will be negative term, this will be negative 4c0, this comes out to 4c0 a की power 4, then minus sign में common लिया plus, तो power 1 है तो minus 4c1 a cube b plus 4c2 a square b square, b की पावर जहां ऑर्डर माइनस साइन आएगा 4c3 a1 b क्यूब plus 4c4 b की पावर 4. Right? Now, if we expand it, negative sign ये negative हो जाएगा, this will become negative, this will become positive, this will become negative, this will become positive, this will become negative. Means first term will be cancelled out, then this term will be cancelled out, then this term will be cancelled out. We will get double of this, twice 4c1 a cube into b plus 4c3 ab cube. Now 4c1 equal to 4c3 equal to 4 twice 4a cube b plus 4ab cube. We get 8ab a square plus b square. We get this answer on simplification. Now substituting the values of a and b. This is a, this is b, this is a, this is b. Means a equal to is root 3, b is root 2. Therefore value of a plus b की power 4 root 3 plus root 2 की power 4 minus root 3 minus root 2 की power 4 equal to comes out to be 8ab a square plus b square. A is root 3, b is root 2. Then 8 into root 3 into root 2, that comes to 3 plus 2. 8 root 6 into 5, that is 40 root 6, that is the answer. Right? Next question. Question is, show that 9 की power n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 64, where n is a positive integer. Now, all these discussed 9 की power n plus 1 minus 8n minus 9 is divisible by 64. Now, proof 9 की power n plus 1, that is 1 plus 8 की power n, that is NC0, NC1, 8 plus NC2, 8 square plus NC3, 8 cube and so on. A की power 1, anyway, that will be always 1. So this comes out to be 1 plus n into 8 plus 64 taken common, NC2, NC3 into 8 plus and so on. Now, rearranging 9 की power n plus 1 minus 8n minus 1 equal to 64 NC2 plus NC3 8 plus on, which is divisible by 64, right? In such type of questions जनरली जो पावर दिए उसको ब्रेकअप करके try to simplify it, expand it and take the common which is required, right? Next question. Question is, prove that summation r equal to 0 to n 3 की power r NCR equal to 4 की power n. Question is taken from NCERT exercise 8.1, concept applicable in a solution. This is the binomial expansion, expanded form. This is the condensed form. Right? Now, in the expanded form, if we put a equal to 1, b equal to x, then this will become 1 plus x to the power n, that is equal to nc0 plus nc1 x plus nc2 x square plus ncr x to the power r plus ncn x to the power n. Right? Now, picking up the question, summation r equal to 0 to n ncr 3 की power r on expansion. On expansion means making the series nc0 3 की power 0 1 plus nc1 3 की power 1 plus nc2 3 की power 2 plus ncr 3 की power r plus ncn 3 की power n. So this can be written, this is expansion of 1 plus 3 की power n, that is equal to 4 की power n. That is right hand side. Right? Now, I would like to request, if you are new to my YouTube channel, Shift Learn, please like and subscribe to my channel and press bell icon to receive updates on concept killing videos. Thank you. धन्यवाद, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद जी, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.